In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the @channel feature in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to enhance your productivity with this powerful tool, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So grab your device and let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Slack website, which is the home of your AI work management and productivity tools. Slack is accessible from anywhere, making it a fantastic choice for keeping up with team communications on the go. Once you're on the Slack homepage, your next step is to sign in. Click the sign in button, and if you use Google for authentication, Slack makes it easy with the sign in with Google option. Just one simple click and you'll be directed to your Google sign in page. Enter your credentials and you're ready to move on. Once you're signed in, you will be greeted by your dashboard. This is the hub of all your Slack activities, where you can toggle between different workspaces and channels to keep track of your team's conversations. Here's where the real action begins. From your dashboard, find a channel where you want to use the channel command. Clicking on a channel will open up the chat window for that specific group. Now in the message box at the bottom, type the @ symbol. A list of options will pop up showing potential people or commands you can mention. Scroll through these suggestions, and when you see channel, go ahead and click on it. What this does is notify everyone in that particular channel about your message. It's an ideal way to ensure your message is seen by all members, particularly useful for team-wide announcements or urgent updates. Keep in mind that using @channel will ping everyone, regardless of whether they are currently online or not, so use this command thoughtfully. It's perfect for urgent updates that require immediate attention, but be mindful of its urgency to avoid disrupting your team's workflow. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to use the @channel feature in Slack. This simple tool can dramatically enhance the way you communicate with your team, ensuring that crucial information reaches everyone simultaneously. In just a few easy steps, you can keep your team connected and informed right from your dashboard. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has clarified how to effectively use the @channel feature in Slack to boost your team's productivity. Be sure to check out other videos if you're eager to learn more about optimizing your Slack experience. Until next time, happy slacking.